Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the AISNI 20W fast charger for the phone 15 series, and I've got some exciting details to share. This charger comes in a convenient 2-pack, perfect for home and on-the-go charging needs. First off, safety is a top priority with this charger. It's equipped with advanced features that protect against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short-circuit issues, ensuring a secure charging experience for your devices. Now, let's talk about speed. The older 5W chargers just don't cut it anymore. This 20W USB-C charger provides a whopping 3x faster charging speed compared to the old ones, making sure you spend less time waiting for your device to power up. The included 6-foot USB-C to USB-C fast charger cord is not only durable but also offers a generous length for added convenience. With robust construction and impressive data transfer speeds of up to 480 megabits per second, it's a reliable companion for your daily charging needs. What sets this charger apart is its wide compatibility. It's not just for the phone 15 series and Pad, it works seamlessly with a variety of USB-C devices, making it a versatile choice for tech enthusiasts. Whether you're at the office, on a business trip, or exploring new destinations, the compact and portable design of this charger ensures you stay connected wherever you go. In summary, the AISNI 20W fast charger for the phone 15 series is a safe, efficient, and versatile charging solution. Stay tuned for the unboxing, and let's dive into the details together. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.